Vigor's Ventures. Don't mind the outfit right now. You'll get it in a second.
Mama, I want to move my room.
Okay, not right now. Okay.
I want to move my bed.
Okay, mommy needs to shower and stuff. We'll do it later. Okay. If you're new here,
It's Bingo. Bingo. It's Bingo.
if you're new here, my name is Alexa, and we are the Vigors. It is myself, my husband, our 2 kids, and our dog, and we live and travel full time in our RV. I've been trying to upload every Wednesday, so I'm filming this. Today's Tuesday, so this will be uploaded tomorrow. I really wanted to have a 1 year in review for y'all, but my husband, Derek, and I, we just have not found the time to do it. And even when we do, it's at night after we've put the kids down and we're just exhausted. I'm hoping in the next week or 2, maybe 3 weeks, I'll have that one up. A lot of you have also asked for a morning routine in the RV, which I definitely want to do, and a nighttime routine. I'm waiting to go pick up my new ring light. Once I get that, I'll be able to film that. So today, I'm just gonna do a kind of like vlog style, no voiceovers or anything. So this is just gonna be our nap time hustle. That's what we're calling it. We're going with it. So I actually just put Oakley down. He is our 2-year-old. And then I have Lila, our 4.5-year-old. She does not nap. Oakley's down. He should nap. He's still awake. He didn't fall asleep yet, but once he does, hopefully he'll sleep for 2 hours. And Lila is our 4.5-year-old. She doesn't take naps. I'll show you in a second, but she does quiet time, and she'll watch a movie or a show. She just started watching Bluey, so we are on a Bluey kick. So she's gonna do quiet time while Oakley naps. And then I'm just gonna get some stuff done. I was gonna tell you what I'm about to do, but I'll just kind of show you as I go through and do it. So we already ate lunch. Sometimes I would eat lunch right now after the kids, but I already ate with them. So lunch is good, down for naps and quiet time. We actually went to the pool. We were at the pool before lunch, hence the bathing suit. So I am actually gonna go hop in the shower and then come back out and show you kind of what I'm doing today during nap time. Let's go get this chlorine off. All right, y'all, so much better. Oh, feels so good. It's been so hot here, and it's like the first thing I have to do is take a shower after being in the pool because the chlorine, just like so dry. Anyways, so nap time obviously looks different every day. Sometimes if I'm super exhausted, I'll take a nap. Luckily the shower woke me up, so I'm good to go. And I've been trying not to take naps because if I take a nap, it backfires and I'll be up till midnight, sometimes 1:30 in the morning. And I forgot to say earlier, so my daughter does not take naps anymore, but she will if she's sick or not feeling well and exhausted, or we just know that she needs one. I forgot that I was gonna have her lay down. She was up earlier than normal, and then we went to the pool, but I think we're just gonna push through because she's the same as me. If she naps, it backfires and she just can't fall asleep at night. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is just put the clean dishes away and do the dirty dishes. After nap, we do snack, and then not too long after, it's time for dinner. So I just like having a clean sink. So I'm gonna do the dishes, put those away, tidy up the kitchen a little bit, and then keep going. Oh, no, mommy's just I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this? Let me turn this up a little. I don't know if y'all have heard about this Scrub Daddy. My brother-in-law had one, and I was like, "You're crazy. What is this thing?" And then I saw one at our local grocery store. This is actually the Scrub Mommy, and I'm obsessed. Love it. I love it. Scrub Daddy, don't sleep on it. Scrub Mommy. All right, y'all, dishes clean, clean ones put away. The Keurig I put under the sink. So nap time, quiet time for me is kind of like my time to just relax, reset, get stuff done that I need to do. So I start with the dishes, and then usually I'll clean up the area over there in the living room, because I'll usually sit down on the couch and do some work on my phone or on my computer. And if I can just see little things that are a mess and, you know, just in disarray, then I can't focus. So that's like one of my first things that I do too, is just clean up real quick, and not like an in-depth cleanup, because don't judge, it needs to be cleaned over there. That's going to be a whole other reorganize, refresh video. But just a quick, like, put toys in the basket, put the blankets on the couch, and just make it look nice and clean. So I'm going to go do that right now. All right, like I said, super quick cleanup. Normally I would just sit down on the couch now and just relax for a little bit on my phone or try and get some work done. But yesterday was actually laundry day. So I have a bunch of bags of clothes. Everything's already folded. I just have to put it away in our bedroom. So I already put the kids' stuff away last night. So I'm gonna go put our stuff away now. All right, y'all, had to change into shorts real quick. It was getting hot in here. If you live in an RV in the summer, it's hot. There's only so much you can do. Think about it. We're in like this tiny area of 4 metal walls. I don't even know if there's insulation. I was gonna say not much insulation, but yeah, we're camping, but we live in it. So yeah, it's hot. We do have 1 AC running. We're, if you live in an RV, you understand we only have 30 amp where we're staying right now. So if you don't know, there's 30 amp and 50 amp, and we have 2 ACs, and you need 50 amp to run both ACs. So we only have 30 amp, so we only have 1 AC. It's not horrible. It does get hot. We're managing, you know, you doing what we can do. So anyways, that was a little soapbox. Had to put shorts on, just so if you notice I'm in a different outfit. Don't judge my room. This is another room on my list of reorganize, refresh. It's a disaster. So I'm just putting clothes away, and that's it. right, y'all, that is it for the bedroom. I can't have you seeing any more of that disaster. Turn the light off. I cannot wait to do that refresh, reorganize. It's gonna be great. Okay, so that's pretty much it, y'all. For nap time hustle today, I just make sure the house is as clean as I can get it, not overdoing it. So it's about 2:10. So that's usually what happens. Usually he probably went down around 1:30, so an hour to just clean up, organize, and then at least another hour to just sit, relax, get some work done, do whatever I need to do. And then after nap time, it's snack, dinner, and bed, and obviously 5 million other things in between that. Let me know if y'all liked this, the vlog style, me kind of coming on and talking, not like a lot of voiceovers. This should be a pretty quick video, hopefully. Maybe you can put this on during one of your kids' nap times and just help motivate you to get some stuff done around the house, or just sit, watch, and relax, because we all need that too, right, mamas? All right, so I'm just gonna go sit on the couch, see if these videos will upload, get a little work done, and just relax before the little one's up. So thank you all again for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe so you can see when new videos are uploaded. Follow us over on Instagram. It's the same, Vigers Ventures. You can be updated on more daily, day-to-day basis what we're doing right now. Happy travels and God bless y'all.